Ya, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, or good night. Welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce my name first. My name is Muhammad Sultan Hakan Yulianto from 12 Science Group 2. Today I'm gonna to tell you about the what is dialect. What is the definition of dialect? The first question is that okay, dialect a particular form of a language which is peculiar to a specific region or social group. Or the other definition is a dialect is a variety of a language which has different pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary than the standard language of the culture. An example of dialect is Cantonese, Chinese language. This is the source of from the dictionary www.yourdictionary.com. The other source is dialect is a way of speaking that is distinct enough to be considered a variation of a language yet familiar enough to be understood as the language. Okay, the example is American, Australian, and British English could all be considered dialects of the same language. English with that in mind. If you're reading this, then you know English, but do you understand everything being said in this interview? Okay, the next is the types of dialect. This is the based on what I read on www.web.mainstate.edu. Okay, a regional dialect, a subgroup of variety of a language associated with a particular geographical area is called a regional dialect. This type of dialect is frequently produced through the historical linguistic process of change that we saw in the last season, such as contact with speaker of other language, change to the new tools and techniques, and perhaps most especially different type of environment. Okay, the example of the regional dialect include the dialect of the southern United States and the three dialects of German and Europe. Low, middle, and high German. An isogloss is the boundary between two regional dialects, German dialect map. Okay, the other type of dialect is a the ethnic dialects, a subgroup variety of a language that is associated with a particular ethnic group is termed an ethnic dialect. The example is African American vernacular English is considered by some of the ethnic by some to be an ethnic dialect or ethnolect of English. It is a variety of English spoken by people of African American heritage in the United States. Okay, the other type of dialect is accent. Phonetic or pronunciation distinction between groups result is different accent. The word accent refers only the pronunciation distinction to refer to multiple distinctions across of all linguistic subcategories. One must use the term dialect of variety. Okay, all speakers have the accent of their own speech community. Okay, the other type is socialect or social dialect, a subgroup variety of a language that is associated with a group of any sort is termed socialect. Technically, an ethnic dialect is one kind of socialect. Other socialect are based on a group, gender, and socioeconomic class, and the others. Okay. Okay. The next is type of sociolect. In the before I already explained the sociolect, and now I want to tell you about the types of sociolect. Okay. Type of sociolect select what I said earlier. I turned out that I have explained it before and it happened. That the next question had been answered in my previous explanation. Okay. Here's are the type of the sociolect. This First, age. Age. Sorry, age. Age is older people won't have same language style with the teenagers. The next types is education. People with high education will have different styles of language compared to people with lower education. And the next is gender. The language style of the man is more high performance than woman because man was born for the leader in the world. Sure, in the Quran already state. And other is profession, such as like a doctor will have their own sentence structure for the example. And ability level, and the last types is of socialite is economic level of the speaker. Okay, the next is what is idolect? Ideolect, sorry, idolect. Yeah, idolect is a speech that arise and is only used by someone who may be different from other people, so that it becomes characteristic of that person, such as Japanese people who speak softly with a Batak people or Medan who speak a little loudly. Yeah. This is funny, man. Okay, the next question is, what are the difference between British and American dialect? Okay, this is different country, right? In American and English, but have a same language, yeah. Okay, the most significant difference between British and American English are in their pronunciations, their vocabularies, and their spelling. Okay, there are grammatical difference too, but these are less important and harder to describe. So we will pass over them for today. Pronunciation British English and American sound noticeably different. Okay, maybe it's little different, right? The most obvious difference is the way the letter R. This is the example. The letter R is pronounced in British English when R comes after a vowel in the same syllable. The example as in a car or heart or market. Their R is not pronounced. In American English, the R is pronounced. Okay, maybe the maybe only like that. I hope you guys you all of you guys all have a healthy condition in in this pandemic, right? uh, Thank you for our attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.